Let's learn how to do a self breast examination, because doing a self breast examination will help you to locate or notice a lump and other changes in the breast which have to be catered to. What are we looking for? First, the shape of the breast, any change in the contour or the size or the shape, changes in the skin, changes in the nipple. So, how to perform the examination? The first part is inspection. Inspection we do with the hands down in front of the mirror. Look for changes in the shape, size of the breast, changes in the skin, and the changes in the nipple. Second part is the palpation. It can be done in a lying down position or in a standing position in front of the mirror. There are a few steps. The right hand, it examines the or palpates the left breast, and the left hand palpates the right breast. It is done with the pulp of the fingers, usually. Don't prick or prod the breast, or else you might miss the lump. You can examine the breast by moving from one quadrant to another, like from the upper inner to the upper outer, then the lower outer to the lower inner, and then finally the nipple. Start with a light pressure and move your fingers all along the breast. And then finally examine the armpits. For the armpits, it is done again in a hands down position with a relaxed shoulder, but here the pressure has to be a little deeper inside the armpit. How often to do a self-examination? It has to be done once every month after menses. But if you have a strong family history, then every week is also important. Regular breast self-examinations are a crucial part for the breast health. So if you ever notice any change in your shape, size, or skin of the breast or nipples, please consult a gynecologist immediately. Thank you.